Hopping back into the Systems Accelerator Manager, the dashboard is actually our home page. And we did that for a very important reason, because ultimately you want to start your time inside the Systems Accelerator Manager quickly reviewing these things. So let's go ahead and look at each of these different sections and get to see all of the little stats for nerds, right? So that would be things like words generated, elapsed time that you've spent inside SAM actually creating things, as well as total number of hours saved, as well as work time saved. Now, the work time saved is really cool because it uses an average person's typing speed, which is about 12 words per minute when they're thinking about what they're trying to type, right? And if you were to say, well, Cody, I actually have a much faster typing speed than that. Well, you can click into that and Sam will be able to have a little challenge for you. So it's going to give you a topic. Once you have a good topic that you like, you can hit start. If you need to find a different topic, just hit the little red arrow. And once you have one, you click start. And then you can just start writing about that topic, right? As much as you can, as fast as you can. And in less than a minute, Sam will go ahead and finish that assessment. And not only is the system typing against you, so you can see how fast the system would be able to compete against you, but it's going to then calculate a custom words per minute for you. So for example, mine is set to 16. When I took this test, I did a pretty good job. And so I am slightly above average. Excellent. And so it adjusted all of those different numerical values to all of this.